नमस्कार। हामी मुक्तिनाथ क्षेत्र धामतिर हजुरहरूलाई जाँदैछौँ र जियर स्वामी श्रीमद् नारायण मुक्तिनाथ धाममा स्वामीजीको आगमन भएको छ र आज विशेष यहाँ एउटा मुक्तिनारायण भगवानको सानिध्यमा रहेको दर्शकबिन नमस्कार। मुक्तिनाथ धाम हिन्दू तथा बौद्ध धर्मावलम्बीहरूको लागि विशेष महत्त्व यो मुक्तिनारायण मन्दिरको हो। तर जियर स्वामीजी महाराजजीको आज मुक्तिनाथ धाममा आगमन भएको छ र श्रीराम स्मृति स्तम्भको प्राण प्रतिष्ठान गरी पूर्ण काठमाडौँ फिर्कने कार्यक्रम रहेको छ र 26 गते भदौ 26 गते गुहेश्वरी फाँटमा जियर स्वामी संस्था अघिल्लो वर्ष जहाँ कार्यक्रम भएको थियो त्यही दिन चाहिँ त्यहाँ आशीर्वाद प्राप्त गर्ने कार्यक्रम र सबैलाई त्यहाँ आशीर्वाद प्रदान गर्ने कार्यक्रम रहेको हामीले विशेष थाहा पाएका छौँ।
He wanted to make a world tour. And why did he go to Germany? We don't know. Even the cargo people had no idea. And he went to Germany. From there he came to Dubai. And then he was here. So he just made a around the world trip and came here. And we are so happy to have him here. And our Chitneni Srinivas Dampatulu were very, very instrumental because they were so interested to present the beautiful, the Pratimas to every one of us. And on that the Lord Muktinatha's Murti is there. And then we had this Kshetra's important pillar. And after the consecration, and has a darshan there in the Perumal temple up hills there, just here. And then we come back here. Meanwhile, they set up the Murti here. Then we'll receive all those Pratimas. We are all going to receive them. And we offer Mangala Sasnam to Srinivasji for taking such a kind of committed interest. And Vanajaji was the instrumental initially in making a move. Let's do it. And her initial donation made the whole thing happen. And hopefully the rest of the things also will be taken care. Though Dipendraji is not interested in revealing how much was spent and how it was spent. But of course we have some idea, but because we know, because there are so many other pillars constructed, but still we have to say that. And we are so happy that our Kiranji from VD Seva USA is here, and our Sri Gauriji, the Jet President, Jet USA President is also here. So I am sure that the whole USA teams are present here. And it is very, very interestingly, the one who coordinated for a Statue of Union in USA, Srimati Jamuna ji, also coordinated to make a link with all the people who were interested to join in this trip from USA, and took the responsibility in bringing all of you here. And I am sure that she drops us back in Kathmandu safely. So from all our Prajnites, our Rajesh ji, and our Vasu ji, and from all the Kiran Biryala from BT Seva, from our Kiran Biryala from JTUSA also is here, the couple. And we are all here. So The Gita ji, of course, Gita Vijay, who are initially from Connecticut, but now from different parts of USA, are also here participating. There are, I think, all of us are here as beloved devotees, and there are so many devotees from Nepal came here along with us. Many others are also very so interested, but only few are able to make the program here today. And we have a very senior G.R. Swamiji here in Narayan Ghat, currently in Genda Court, who also was studied from our Gopalacharya Swamiji when he was in his Purvashram, and later became Sadho Brahman G.R. Swamiji, who is 90 plus now, 96. And from him, a new young Swamiji, Yatindra Ramanuja G.R. Swamiji, got initiated, took sannyasam just a week days before. And he also, representing the Swamiji, came here and participating right now. Of course, our Ahobila Ramanuja G.R. Swamiji is all the way pushing us all from there with all his Ahobalam and brought us here. And our Yugandhar Swamiji, who did wonderful pracharam there also, is here with all his family members. And primarily our Madhusudanacharya Swamiji, the Yajnacharya, of course always is here doing this consecration celebration.